One of the first major milestones of the Gokongwei Brothers Foundation was establishing the GBF Technical Training Center. We knew that for the economy to grow, our country needed a strong technical workforce. The school was envisioned to upskill the current and future workers through up-to-date and relevant technical training and facilities. Currently, our center supports high school graduates who cannot afford college and who need to earn immediately for their families. This program aims to give them a boost to get gainful employment to address their urgent needs.
Bago ako naging isang scholar ni Juan, isa lang akong simpleng tao. Naghahanap ng trabaho kasi nga, noong time na gusto ko talaga makapag-aral, hindi lang ako kayang pag-aralin ng magulang ko kasi madami kami magkakapatid.
Our Scholarly Juan program focuses on training senior high school graduates or college undergraduates on skills like mechatronics servicing, which will earn them a TESDA National Certification Level 2. Once they graduate from our program, they are employable as machine operators in manufacturing plants. To join Scholarly Juan, they need to pass the online application test, and once they are chosen, they will undergo a 7-month academic training at the GBF Technical Training Center in Calamba, Laguna. We have complete facilities like laboratories, classrooms, dormitories, and a canteen. The use of these facilities, including their training and living expenses, are all provided for free by the Gokongwei Brothers Foundation.
Nung nag-start ako na mag-aral dito sa Technical Training Center, sa una napakahirap kasi malalayo ako sa pamilya ko. Pero naging masaya na rin ako kasi dito nakabuo kami ng isang pamilya. Nakita ko na napakaganda pala ng programang ito dahil tinuturuan kami ng mga technical na bagay na magagamit sa aming trabaho. Naramdaman ko po talaga yung concern nila. Hinubog talaga nila kami sa values formation at doon naibsan yung pamumulila ko sa aking mga magulang habang ako ay nandito sa Laguna.
Talaga pong saludo po ako sa Scholar ni Juan kasi nakatulong po siya ng malaki. Maraming nabago kay Dave. Dati po, nalulungkot siya kasi hindi may tutuloy yung pag-aaral niya. Pero nung napasok po siya dito, talagang malaking pinagbago. Lagi po siyang masaya. Doon ko nakita sa kanya na meron siyang determinasyon sa buhay na gusto niyang makamit sa pag-aaral.
After their academic training here at TTC, they undergo a 5-month on-the-job training with our employment partner like Universal Robina Corporation, where they will also be given a regular job opportunity once they graduate.
Marami tayong kwento na naririnig na dahil sa scholarship, nagkaroon sila ng chance to work in QRC, and that has provided for their families as well, no? Na nakapagpaaral din ng kanilang mga kapatid.
Malaking natulong sa akin ni ING kasi na-inspire ko din yung mga kapatid ko na magsumikap sila para pagdating ng araw, makatulong tayo sa magulang natin. Tapos ngayon, nagkaroon ako ng regular na trabaho.
When they join the company, they are very eager to learn, to help, and to share their experience. So pagpasok niyan sa planta, nakikita mo talaga yung drive to contribute and then eventually drive to excel.
Ang pinakamalagang natutunan ko yung pagkakaroon ng determinasyon na makamit mo yung kung ano man yung ninanais mo at huwag tumigil na mangarap dahil yung pangarap na yun, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng pag-asa.
Ako.
Run, Scholar Juan!